How's everyone doing? My name is Derek and I'm the Phantom Rider, and today I'm going to be showing you my 2015 Honda Shadow Phantom that I'm going to be getting ready to take a motorcycle trip in a couple weeks up into Canada and down to Victoria Island, back to the mainland in the States here, and then all the way down the Highway 101 to the Redwoods. Along the way I'll be chronicling my video adventure of the stops that I make, the towns along the way along Highway 101, and talking a little bit in detail about those towns. I've been there a few times before along the way. This route has been one of my favorite routes, but I notice there's not a lot of channels out there that are dedicated to the Honda Shadow Phantom, the Phantom series motorcycles. So that's what I'm going to be bringing content of in this YouTube channel, is of specifically the Honda Shadow Phantom series. I own a 2015 Honda Shadow Phantom, which is right over here. And like I said, you guys, here's the 2015 Honda Shadow Phantom motorcycle. I have done some updates to it. I've got the Vance and Hines pipes on the side here, different air filter cover here. The seat as well is a custom made single seat. The stock seat that usually comes with it is a two-seater, but it's not, doesn't really lend itself to long travel. So this one's a little bit more comfortable on your backside. On the back there is the sissy bar with a luggage rack, which I use very much so on my long trips. And then on the front here we have the Boulevard windshield screen, I believe is what Honda calls it, but it's windshield screen specifically made for the Honda Shadow Phantom series. Original stock usually has orange lens cap covers. In this case I swapped those out to black. Obviously just to black out the bike. But there it is, you guys, the 2015 Honda Shadow Phantom. And along the way I'm also going to be doing some YouTube videos on maintenance on the Honda Shadow Phantom, so be looking for those as well. Down the road I'll be doing like oil filters, spark plugs, final drive fluid, air filter. I use a K&N air filter for my Shadow, and then I also own a K&N oil filter underneath the bike as well. I say oil the first time, I think I said air, I can't remember. But either way, I like going with the K&N air and oil filters. I think those are, they've been pretty solid for me for a while now. But this is it. So be sure and stay tuned for the future videos of the trip along the way. I will include onto this YouTube channel as well, and we'll stop by different locations and different towns along the way and give you my 2 cents on where you would want to eat there, where you'd want to stop and find stuff to do, just that stuff. So stay tuned for that, you guys.